Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and I'm here with my sister again, aka the Fit Mom. What's up?
Hey, what's up? What's going on?
Well, you already know what's going on. Today, we are going to talk about why Live Good is a dope side
Oh,
hustle for anybody in the fitness industry or for anybody who's a fitness enthusiast. Why Live Good will be a dope side hustle. Now, if you're not familiar with what Live Good is one of the hottest online business opportunities in the health and wellness industry. Thousands of people
mhm.
are joining Live Good every single week. But especially me and my sister being, our background is in fitness and health and wellness. Like this is like a no brainer if you're into
Absolutely.
fitness, right? So, Chris, talk a little bit about why you think that, why Live Good is such a great opportunity for people in the health and wellness or fitness or anything like that. Let's jump into it.
All right. Well, I'm not going to tell you why I think. I'm going to tell you why I know.
Ah,
So the first thing is, okay, you know me. I don't, I say this all the time. I don't just jump in anything or dive in anything unless I see value or a purpose or in this aspect, the opportunity. So to me, I'm like looking at this company. I've been watching it for a few months and I have nothing bad to say about it. There's no you have to buy this or you have to get this shipped to you every month and all that stuff. It's just a simple membership that offers crazy discounts on supplements that your body needs. Now, a lot of people talk about how expensive it is to, stay healthy, how expensive it is to, buy supplements and things like that. But this is super affordable and it gives you an opportunity to make money at the same time. Now, as far as the, people in the fitness and personal trainers, group fitness instructors, this is an amazing opportunity for yourself, to take control of your own health and to maintain your, well-being and make sure your body's getting everything it needs. But you can offer it to your clients,
right.
so and give them the same opportunity that you have, as well as you're building your team with people that you're familiar with. So I mean, it's so many different avenues that this can be used for with people in the fitness industry. It's almost unlimited. So
Yeah,
that's my take
absolutely.
on it.
And real quick too, you watching this and you want to check out Live Good for yourself. There's the link, first link in the description of this video. You can take the Live Good tour for yourself so you can see how incredible this opportunity is. Now, one thing that we always talk about, we go back and forth about, this opportunity and what makes it so dope. But one thing I like about the whole opportunity is being in the fitness industry. If you are a personal trainer, like you was just saying, this is
Mm-hmm.
something that you can easily, present to your clients or even potential clients. Because once people see the value in Live Good, especially if they're trying to get in shape, if they're trying to get healthier, it is so easy to present the Live Good opportunity to these people. It's almost like it's like, why wouldn't you do this?
Absolutely.
Really
Yeah.
anybody, looking for an opportunity, but especially if you are in the health and wellness industry. What was you gonna say?
I was gonna say, and the other thing too is to have the opportunity to educate yourself with the products. I mean, the company is amazing. They shoot out videos, educating you about the supplements and things that your body needs. And you can take that same information and present it to your clients, and it's going to make you seem even more awesome, than what you are
Right.
as a trainer or as an instructor. You're going to be so knowledgeable. And the most important thing, the thing that got me is it's not expensive. It's nine ninety five a month for
Right.
you can
Crazy.
buy as many supplements as at a discounted price as you want. And there's like I mean, there's nothing else to really say about it. I just feel like, I mean, because you were telling me about it for a while, and you know me, I was like, nah, I'm not interested, da, da, da. And then actually, after I actually took the time, because I'm gonna be honest, when you first told me to watch the tour, I was like, oh, whatever, I'm not watching it. But when I actually took the time to watch it and listen to what they were saying and to listen to the opportunity, I was like, whoa, wait a minute. Why not? Especially if you buy these things anyway. And
Right.
the thing that blew me away, was the price comparison, comparing the super greens to the Organifi, or comparing the super reds to super beets. I mean, the prices are unbelievable, and you're getting basically the same, or if not better, quality than those products. It's just they're like super overpriced. So that's my thing, as far as that opportunity. And like I
Right.
said, you don't have to hound people, or, oh, watch or explain this or explain that.
That's because
All I
what
have
you
to
are,
do.
but that's because
Well, go ahead,
it's
sorry.
easy to promote, especially if you already in the fitness industry. That's
Hmm.
why it's so, like you say in the industry, a no-brainer. And
Yeah.
one thing that I want to point out real quick, we are part of an incredible team. I can't talk. We are part of an
Hmm.
incredible team when it comes
Yep.
to Live Good, Team Diamond, right? Like everybody on the team is just hardworking, grinding, helping each other. And one thing that whenever you join us and Live Good, we make it a point to reach out to you and help you and point you in the right direction to help you start
Yep.
building your Live Good business. But I'm gonna give a couple quick tips right now for free that you can really think about and even run with after you get started with Live Good. But once again, if you are a personal trainer or a fitness instructor, one thing that you can do is promote, make content, right? Whether it be TikTok videos, Facebook Reels, YouTube videos, and you can share your link in the description of the content that you create. And all you need to do is point people to the Live Good
Website.
opportunity, and it
Yep.
actually speaks for itself. One other thing that is actually even easier to do to get the word out about Live Good and building your business is get simple flyers or business cards. And all you
Yep.
need to do is put a catchy slogan, even with your fitness logo or your class title, whatever you want to do. All you need to do is get a QR code, put on that flyer or your business card. All people got to do, potential clients, your current students, all they got to do is just scan that code
Yep.
and you good to go. Easy side hustle. This is easy money.
Yeah. And the thing is, and you know me, I don't like to bother people. I don't harass people. I just like to give the information, like give the info. And it's like, it's nothing to explain. You know what I mean? Once you watch the video and they present it so well, it got me. And I don't get into anything, but like I said, one I saw the value in it.
Yeah.
9.95 to get super greens for
Crazy.
18.99, or plant-based protein for $22. It's like the price comparison. I think everybody, I suggest that everybody at least take the time to take the tour.
Yeah,
At
definitely
least
take
look
it.
at the tour. Everybody that sees this video, take the tour and decide for yourself. But at least look at the price comparison, um, especially if you're into the supplements and all that stuff. It's like a no. And you know what else? I'm a rambler, but
Mm-hmm.
the other thing is you get the supplements for such a low price.
Right.
You can even buy, if you're like, hey, so and so, you can try these or taste this or taste that,
Good
just so
point.
people don't feel like,
Samples. Right. You can buy, yeah.
yeah, exactly. You can give, samples, just so people don't feel like they're like, I don't know if I want to do this, I don't know if I want to do that. I mean, that'll kickstart you right there, just to show people, um, what they're getting. So that's another thing that you can do.
Right. Right. Super
My
dope.
mind, it was something
Super
else. That was
dope.
good.
Now we are gonna actually do more of these, like, short videos, webinar kind of, videos, really talking about Live Good and growing with this company. But
Mhm.
honestly, the opportunity speaks for itself. So if you're ready to get started
Yep.
with Live Good and jump on the team, click that link in the description. Take the Live Good tour. It's only 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and you're going to be so happy that you did, especially if you're somebody looking to earn some extra cash. This is it right here.
Or if you're somebody looking to take control of your health and make sure you're getting all the supplements and everything that you need at a decent, affordable price.
Yep,
So,
absolutely. All right, so click that link, take that Live Good tour, and we will both see you on the team.
bye.